Quick quiz. How many minutes does your team waste every day retyping patient details? At one Houston clinic, it was 180 minutes. That's 3 full staff hours lost to paperwork before lunch. Today, I'll show you how technology can streamline these manual, error prone processes and transform that painful chore into a 9 seconds hands free pipeline. Let's talk about cost first. Imagine 60 intake forms daily, each taking 3 minutes at $40 per hour. That's $86,000 in annual clerical costs just for a 20-bed clinic. Clinicians already spend about 13 and a half hours every week just generating documentation. That's roughly a third of their working time. Well, primary care doctors aren't exempt. For every 30-minute patient visit, they spend another 36 minutes buried in the EHR. Handwritten forms and duplicate charts also carry severe risks. Duplicate patient records cause nearly 2,000 preventable deaths and $1.7 billion in malpractice costs each year. And the financial pain is real. Each denied claim costs $25 to $118 to correct, draining clinic resources and morale. Now imagine your intake form lands securely in a digital folder. A computer vision service identifies it instantly. AI extracts name, date of birth, insurance ID, error-free. Cloud automation converts that into clean, structured data. And moments later, your triage nurse sees a notification with a ready-to-use patient chart. No manual typing, no changing your existing systems. Just seamless, secure automation. Let's dive into a brief demo and explore the solution design, including the AI setup and training process. Let's begin the demonstration by uploading a sample patient intake form into our dedicated intake folder. This form is handwritten and contains key patient details that we aim to extract and process efficiently. As soon as the form enters the folder, our automated workflow detects it and initiates processing. And the initial trigger continuously monitors the intake folder and upon detecting a new document, immediately activates subsequent automation steps. The next step involves retrieving the content of the uploaded form and forwarding it directly to our document processing AI model. The AI model meticulously analyzes the handwritten content, extracting predefined fields such as the patient's first name, last name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and additional supporting information. The extracted data is then neatly formatted into a structured tabular format and promptly delivered by email for review. Through this streamlined process, we have effectively transitioned handwritten patient data into structured, actionable information. In our demo scenario, this structured data is delivered via email for simplicity. However, in a real-world production scenario, this information can seamlessly integrate into various downstream applications, further automating administrative tasks. Now let's explore how the document processing AI model is set up and trained. The initial phase involves clearly defining the specific data elements we intend to extract in this demonstration. First name, last name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and other key details. Once defined, we collect a representative sample of documents to train our AI model effectively. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have prepared a curated set of 11 sample intake forms. Following sample collection, each document undergoes a tagging process During tagging, we highlight and annotate each of the required data elements. This critical step ensures our AI model precisely understands the form structure and content, significantly enhancing extraction accuracy. Let's briefly demonstrate tagging for one of our sample intake forms. Note that the remaining documents in our dataset have already been tagged in preparation. After tagging, the next crucial step is model training. The training duration typically ranges from 20 minutes to several hours, depending on the volume and complexity of the training dataset. It's essential to utilize a diverse and comprehensive dataset to optimize the accuracy and reliability of the AI model. Finally, we test the trained model, validating its capability to accurately extract the necessary details. Once thoroughly tested and validated, the AI model is deployed and fully ready for operational use. So total elapsed time for processing a handwritten form, 9 to 12 seconds. And compare that to 3 minutes per form for manual data entry, multiplied by dozens of patients every day. And more importantly, no complicated code or lengthy projects, just drag and drop simplicity. Total solution build time less than 2 hours, including training the AI on just 10 examples. Let's quantify the benefits. 180 minutes saved daily per clinic, $86,000 annually reclaimed in clerical labor, dramatic reduction in duplicate record risks, fewer claim denials means quicker revenue cycles. Now scale this across a 12 clinic network, and you're essentially adding 12 nurses back into direct patient care. Plus, detailed automated logs keep compliance and HIPAA audits streamlined and worry free. If paperwork is stealing precious hours at your clinic, share your story in the comments. Keep in mind, today's scenario is intentionally simple to clearly demonstrate the transformative power of AI automation. But the possibilities are endless. I mean, we can handle much, much more complex forms, implement sophisticated feedback loops to constantly enhance accuracy, and can integrate real-time validation, dynamic workflows, and advanced data analytics. Although showcased here in healthcare, this approach can easily adapt to numerous similar scenarios across industries, be it finance, insurance, legal, and beyond. Next episode, we'll dive into the legal world using advanced deep reasoning AI to spot risky contract clauses. No coding required. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.